Hi, welcome back to SS Park's newsroom. Let us now discuss about an experiment. The experiment which we are going to discuss at present is reaction of acids with carbonates. To perform this activity, we need mainly an acid, that is HCl, and a metal carbonate, that is Na2CO3. Let us now discuss about precautions to be taken while performing this activity. My dear students, one thing you need to remember, we should never add water directly to acid. Instead, add acid drop by drop in water slowly. Be careful while preparing lime water because it is an exothermic reaction. I mean, when you add quicklime to water, it will produce heat. Following reaction takes place during your experiment. That is, HCl plus Na2CO3 gives rise to NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. Please watch lab activity carefully and be ready to answer the questions in the next few seconds. Please note down the following steps in your notebook which we have performed during the activity. During the experiment, you might have noticed that a gas was evolved and that evolved gas turned lime water into a white precipitate. Please watch the experiment once again to observe formation of white precipitate. From this activity, we can come to a conclusion that during the reaction between an acid and a metal carbonate, corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water will be produced. It's time to test yourself. Did you watch our previous video? Would you like to get updates of our next videos? Then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.